guys, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today, as the video title suggests, I'm going to be giving you 7 work-at-home jobs that actually pay well, that nobody is talking about. So guys, remember to like this video and comment down below. Tell me which was your favorite, and also give me suggestions on the kind of videos you'd love to see in the future. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to put all those links in the description box down below. So you guys, in case you need more information, more insights to these jobs, check the description box down below. So the first work-at-home job that actually pays well is to become a graphic designer. The reason why graphic designing actually pays well is because you can work for more than 5 clients. Actually, you can work for up to 5 clients. And nobody will ask you, like, as long as you're delivering to all of them, then you're good. And as long as you're also serving each client well, like you're doing perfectly for each client, you're going to be earning so much money. In case you don't know about graphic design, I'll put a link in the description for all the videos I've done about that. The next online job that actually pays you well to work at home is blogging. All you need to do is wake up, do your research, plan your time well, and then edit your blogs, post your blogs, and that's it. The cycle continues. If you want to be a successful blogger, then you have to search for SEO. That is search engine optimization. Like, you have to look at what many people are searching so that you can become popular. Like right now, most people search for celebrity gossips, political news, such things, health and lifestyle, also recipes. Those are the kind of things that are doing on well right now. So you can research on the best topics and the best titles, and then you can become a blogger. You're going to earn so much if you're a blogger. Many people ask me, how am I going to make money if I become a blogger? So first of all, you can get brand endorsements. You can also, that is if you have so much following. So for blogging, you have to look for following, and you can also get sponsorships. So you're going to be sponsored by brands to make adverts for them. You can also get employed by writers and write articles for them, edit articles for them. It will all depend on the kind of niche that you do as a blogger. Another well-paying online job that you can do at home is tutoring. You can become a tutor and make so much money. All you need to do is just plan well. If you're working from home, you have to plan your schedule well because you don't waste time. As long as you need money, then you have to be so committed. You have to plan because this is a job like any other. So if you want to become a tutor, you can always look for courses that you can do, courses that you can teach well, because you have to be authentic. You cannot just take anything to teach. No, you have to teach something that you are actually an expert on. And the sites you can become a tutor on include Udemy and Fiverr, but mostly you can create your online course at Udemy and then you're going to get clients there. But you have to put a very good profile, you know. The outward appearance of your profile is usually very important. And that's it. You're going to be setting up meetings with your clients or your students. If it's assignments, you just do live. You know, it's all about online. So you can do this at the comfort of your home. The next work-at-home job that can actually pay you well is social media marketing. The one I always advocate for is Instagram. The hard part with this is growing followers. But you guys, one trick, if you want to grow followers, stick to one niche on Instagram and then grow it, be it makeup, be it fashion, or anything that you love, anything you're interested in. Stick to that niche and then grow followers. If you're good at growing followers, social media marketing can be so good for you. So this is going to be entirely online. You're going to be using your smartphone to grow followers, and then with time, once you grow followers, If you're consistent for like a month, of course you're going to get at least 1,000 followers. And the good thing with creating a niche is that everyone will be interested in that specific thing. So it will be easy to advertise for brands. You're going to get endorsements, by the way. Let's say you do cooking only. Brands like Royco, Nor, such things that are entirely on cooking will look for you, and then they're going to endorse you to promote their brands. And that's how people make money on Instagram, on social media. Another way you can make money on social media is to start your own shop. You don't have to have so much stock. No, you need maybe 3 items or 4, and then you post them there, advertise them there. Your followers are going to buy them, and that's how people make money from home. Actually, I have seen people sell pets online. Yes, there are so many things going on online. You can have a page maybe for cats. You'll be posting cats only, and then maybe those cats give birth to kitten. You're going to sell your kitten online, and it's so easy. The next way people are making money at home that you can also make is starting a YouTube channel. One secret about starting a channel is consistency. The thing about YouTube is that you don't even have to advertise yourself so much. As long as you're consistent, YouTube is going to take over and recommend your videos for you. So you just sit down and wait. Yeah, if you have internet access and you have your free time at home, don't stay at home jobless. There are so many things you can do on YouTube. And if you are free enough, you can even post daily, because the more you post, the more YouTube sees how hardworking you are, the more it's going to recommend you to others. One thing about YouTube, it's like a job. The more you work, the more you get promoted, Yeah, so if you have your free time, you can do videos on YouTube. There are so many things you can do on YouTube. You can post about anything. If you are good at cooking, you can cook. If you love fashion, you can give us fashion hacks. If you love gaming, you can do gaming videos. If you love reviewing products, if you love shopping, you can show us places you shop. If you love apartments, you can show us apartment tours. Like each and everything you can do, post it here on YouTube. The 6th work-at-home job that actually pays well is transcription. There's a video I did on transcription sites that pay well. You guys can go and check that video. If you have internet access, then you can easily earn through transcription. In case you don't know what transcription is, it is whereby you change audio or voice to text. So you listen to an audio, you might need earphones so that you can listen to every single thing and then type it, You might be given a speech, so you have to listen to everything in that speech while typing it. And it actually pays good money. You might get paid between $3, that is 300 Kenya shillings, to $10 or $20, that is 20,000 per hour, because you get paid per hour. Imagine that money within 1 hour. I think it's good. Instead of staying at home doing nothing, just try transcription. If you understand English well or Swahili, you can do it. All you need to do is look for those transcription sites. I have given those sites. I'll put them in the description down below so that you guys can go and check them out, okay? So all you need to do is know those sites and then go there, log in. Most of the legit ones actually do an interview for you. So do those interviews, and then once you pass, you're going to get so many jobs. But it's always competitive. So if you want to do those interviews, if you want to succeed, look for somewhere where you can concentrate really well and then do the interviews. Another work-at-home job that actually pays well is online writing. So if you want to succeed in online writing, first of all, you must be an introvert, because I think this one is really good for introverts, because you have to stay at home always. And look for somebody to train you. Make sure that when someone trains you, they give you everything that you need to know, so that after that, you're going to earn your money. And let me tell you guys, online writing pays really, really well. So if you're an introvert, if you love staying indoors, you can work at home for 8 good hours without feeling bored, then try online writing. It pays so much money. Per month, if you get so much, gigs and works, you can get paid up to 50,000 Kenya shillings. That's around $500 yeah, that's around $500, and it's good money if you're staying at home. So guys, instead of being jobless, instead of staying home without doing anything, if you have internet access, online jobs are so good, and internet has been so cheap nowadays. You can get Wi-Fi installed to your house for up to 2,000 shillings, you know, $20. It's so cheap, so you can make use of internet instead of staying at home doing nothing, you know, getting bored. Yet there are so many opportunities that are awaiting you that, you know, are not yet crowded. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hoping you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, comment down below and tell me which was your favorite job that you think you can try, and also ask me any question in the comment section. I'll definitely answer as always. Yeah, that's it, guys. Hoping you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like this video. Yeah, and in the meantime, watch my other videos so that you can get more insight on online jobs that actually pay. And yeah, hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye.